Children, welcome to this video. Today we will learn rotational symmetry and discuss the number of turns. A long time ago, a magician came to the court of the king Krishnadev Rai. He said to the king, "Greetings, Your Highness. I am a famous magician from the neighboring kingdom." "Oh wow, I would like to see your talent." "But Your Highness, I have a condition. If I magically rotate an object given by you upside down, then you will have to give me 1,000 gold coins. I will come tomorrow to present my magic." The magician said this and left. The king started thinking. The king called Tenali Raman, the greatest scholar of his kingdom, and told him everything. The magician arrived the next day and brought back a black box with him. He said to the king that if he keeps anything inside that box, it will rotate upside down. The king gestured to Tenali Raman. First, Tenali Raman placed a pot inside the box. The magician recited the magical words and opened the box. On opening the box, the pot had turned upside down. Now Tenali Raman placed the number 8 made of iron in the box, upright. The magician recited the magical words and performed the magic. The moment the magician opened the box, he saw that the object was upright. Once again, the magician recited the magical words but could not succeed. Finally, he gave up, apologized to the king, and left. The king was very happy. He asked Tenali Raman, "Tenali Ramaji, how did you get this idea?" "Your Highness, to rotate an object means to turn it around a point. The magician said that he will rotate an object upside down. Like initially, the magician turned the pot upside down. In this manner, if you write 8 on a paper and rotate the paper like this, you will see 8 as it was before. This is called half rotational symmetry." The king was very happy with Tenali Raman's cleverness. "Tenali Ramaji, I will be able to do the same?" "Yes, Your Highness. Take this and rotate this by half." "Wow, Tenali Ramaji, this is interesting. Is there any other object like this?" "Can you please rotate it?" "This one also has the same rotational symmetry." "Your Highness, now you know a lot about rotation. Can you tell about an image that on rotating by 1/4 looks the same as before?" The king was puzzled. You too try to find the answer to this question. We will share the answer to this question in the next video. In this video, we learned about such objects and images which change when rotated by half. At the same time, we also saw some examples of objects which do not change when rotated by half. The images that look the same as before when rotated by half have half rotational symmetry, that is 1/2 rotational symmetry. Why don't you try to rotate such objects around you and observe? Thank you. Friends, welcome to this video. Today, we will see few misconceptions and common mistakes related to rotational symmetry and number of turns. In the previous video, we saw some examples related to rotational symmetry, half rotational symmetry, and 1/4 rotational symmetry. In today's video, we will see some misconceptions and common mistakes related to them. State whether the following sentence is true or false. The given images looks the same as before when turned by half. If you consider this statement true, then you must be thinking that on turning the image by half, it looks like before. Then you are not paying attention to the symbols on the image. If we turn the image by half, then the position of the symbols will change. On turning by half, this image does not look the same as before. Therefore, this statement is false. Come, now let's see another example. On rotating the given image by 1/4, it looks the same as before. If you wish, you can stop the video here and think about the answer. If you consider this statement as true, then you must be thinking that on rotating the image by half, it will again look like this, and if it looks like this after rotating by half, then it will look the same when rotated by 1/4 as well. But it is not so. Once again, take a closer look. When rotated by half, when rotated by 1/4, you must have seen that on rotating half, it looks the same, but doesn't look the same when rotated by 1/4. Therefore, it is not necessary that if an image looks like its original self when rotated by half, then it would look the same when rotated by a quarter. Therefore, this statement is false. Come, let's look at another example. Can we get the same image by rotating the given image by half or rotating it by 1/4? If your answer is a yes, then think again. If we turn this image by 1/4, then it will look something like this. And if we rotate the original image by half, then it will look like this. You have seen here that under no circumstance does it look like before. Therefore, this statement is false. In this video, we learned that we should pay attention to even the small symbols marked on the image when rotating them by half or 1/4. And it is not necessary that if an image looks like the original when turned by half, then it will look like the original even when turned by 1/4. You also learned that it is not at all necessary that we get the original image by turning the image by half or 1/4. Hope you will take care of the important things mentioned in this video. Thank you. Friends, welcome to this video. Till now, you have learned about half rotation and 1/4 rotation. Today, in this video, we will learn about 1/3 and 1/6 rotation. Strange incidents were occurring in King Krishnadev Rai's kingdom. Though the security was extremely tight, criminals still kept escaping from the prison. The king tried to change the locks, but still the incidents of escaping from the prison did not reduce. The king was worried and called for Tenali Rama, the noble scholar of his court. Tenali Rama checked both the old and new locks. After checking them, he asked the jailer, "Do you open the locks several times a day?" "Yes, we have to open the prison many times a day." Tenali Rama smiled and he said something to the jailer. Then he made some markings on the locks and returned to the king. Many months passed by, but there was no report of any escape since then. Then the king asked Tenali Rama, "What did you do to the locks, Tenali Rama? No prisoner is able to escape these days." "My lord, I keenly observed both the locks first. The shape of the first lock was such that it looked the same even after 1/3 rotation." Dear students, let us understand the cleverness of Tenali Rama. Look at this picture. Let us rotate by 1/6. In order to do this, first of all, we will divide this figure into 6 equal parts with the help of 6 lines across the center. You can see that these 6 lines are passing through the center. If you have to do a 1/6 rotation, then rotate this picture in this way. If we have to do 1/3 rotation, then we will divide it into 3 equal parts across the center. Draw the lines in this way. You can see that 3 lines are passing through the center of this picture. Now rotate this picture in this manner and look at this 1/3 rotation. Now let us notice the objects around us with 1/3 and 1/6 rotation. Also, we will see how Tenali Rama helped King Krishnadev Rai and the kingdom use this concept. To close this lock, 1/3 rotation was needed. Then only it used to close. But there was no difference in its shape even after the 1/3 rotation. Due to this, it was not possible to find whether the lock was open or closed. Since this lock has 1/3 rotational symmetry, jailer didn't realize that it was left open, and the prisoner got a chance to run away. When the lock was replaced, the shape of the new lock was like this. 1/6 rotation was needed to close this lock. Because of the 1/6 rotational symmetry in this lock, there would be no difference in its shape even after 1/6 rotation. Due to this, the prisoners got another chance to run away since the lock remained opened. To solve this problem, I painted one side of both the locks. This helped the jailer to identify whether the lock is open or closed. How does that happen, Tenali Rama? Look, I am going to show you by rotating this lock. Now it is open, and after rotating in this manner, it is closed. Yes, Tenali Rama. Now I can see that it has rotated once. I understood your trick. It means that the other lock, which opens after 1/6 rotation, looks like this. And after closing, it will look like this. I am proud of your wisdom, Tenali Rama. So, in this video, we have learned about some objects and their shapes which do not change after 1/3 and 1/6 rotation. The shapes and things which look the same even after 1/3 rotation represent 1/3 rotational symmetry, and the shapes which look the same even after 1/6 rotation represent 1/6 rotational symmetry. You also try to find similar objects around you and try to find their rotational symmetry. Thank you. Friends, welcome to this video. In the last video, we learned about 1/3 and 1/6 rotational symmetry. Today, we will see some examples related to them. King Krishnadev Rai and Tenali Rama were taking a walk in the garden. Tenali Rama ji, you have solved the puzzle of locks with your wisdom. Can you name some more objects that will remain the same even after 1/3 rotation? Yes, my lord. There are many objects and shapes like this. For example, look at the image on the flag. This image will remain the same even after rotating it by 1/3. Similarly, look at the other flag also. This image too will remain the same after rotating it 1/3. Great, Tenali Rama. You have very well described the images with 1/3 rotational symmetry. Now show me some images with 1/6 rotational symmetry. Is there some image around us that will remain the same even after 1/6 rotation? Sure, my lord. Let me search. Sir, please have a look at this flower very carefully. This flower has 6 parts. Whenever we make 1/6 rotation, it will remain the same as before. Oh, this flower is beautiful. Let us take this back to the palace with us. Both of them left for the palace. Once they reached the palace, the king saw an image hanging on the wall. After pointing towards the image, he said, Tenali Rama, I think this image will also remain same after 1/6 rotation. Sir, I also feel the same. Let us rotate it and see. Tenali Rama rotated it. Oh yes, this image is also the same, even after 1/6 rotation. Very good, Tenali Rama. Now both the king and Tenali Rama want to take some rest. Children, in this video, we have seen some objects and shapes that do not change their shape even after 1/3 and 1/6 rotation. These objects have 1/3, that is 1/3 rotational symmetry, and 1/6, that is 1/6 rotational symmetry. In the next video, we will see some common mistakes related to them. Thank you. Friends, welcome to this video. In the last video, we have seen some examples related to 1/3 and 1/6 rotational symmetry. Today, we will see some common mistakes related to them. Answer whether the following statement is true or false. The given image remains the same even after 1/3 rotation. To find out, let us rotate it and take a look. Here the given image remains the same after 1/3 rotation. Thus, the given statement is true. Will this image too remain the same after 1/3 rotation? Let us rotate it by 1/3 and see for ourselves. This image does not match the earlier one. Since this image is colorful, we have to focus on the order of the colors also. All these parts have different colors. Thus, this is a false statement. Let us look at another example. You must have seen this circular wing. Look at it very carefully. Will it remain the same even after 1/6 rotation? Let us rotate it. You can pause the video and think for a while. This swing does not match with the earlier one after 1/6 rotation. Here, you have to focus on the shape of the cabins also. If the shape of the cabin is not same, then this swing does not match with the earlier one after rotation. Therefore, this statement is false. Children, will the symmetry change after 1/3 rotation? Let us rotate it and see. As you can see, it remains the same even after 1/3 rotation. Children, it is not necessary that the objects with 1/3 rotational symmetry will remain the same after 1/6 rotation. Children, look at these images and find out which images will remain the same after 1/3 or 1/6 rotation or both. Children, as you can see that figure A and B are not changing after 1/3 rotation and 1/6 rotation. And figure C does not change after 1/3 rotation. After 1/6 rotation, it will change and look like this. Children, in this video, we learned that while rotating an image by 1/3 or 1/6, you should focus on the color and the shape of different parts. It is not necessary that we will get the original shape after 1/3 or 1/6 rotation. Thank you.